If you're looking for that yummy pancake you and your family is going to love, this is a pancake recipe you would want to try out. Hello guys, how are you doing? It's Ada here. Thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this yummy pancake you're seeing here. If you've not made pancake before, this is a video you want to watch to the end because you are going to learn how to make that tasty, yummy and fluffy pancake. Okay, continue watching as I walk you through. The first thing you're going to do is to get a bowl, then you break in your eggs. Okay, so when you're making pancake, there are some pancakes that need egg. I have other pancake recipe on my channel which you can check out. Then you add half tablespoon of lemon juice. Okay, so lemon juice will help to kind of reduce the smell of the egg. Okay, for those that don't like the smell of the egg in their pancake, then you add milk. Okay, this is evaporated milk. Then you add sugar. Right, after sugar you add salt, then you mix and mix till everything is well incorporated. Guys, you're going to love this pancake recipe. I have so many pancake recipes, like I said, on this channel. The ones that contains egg, the one that doesn't contain egg. Guys, I have lots of them. You can check them out. Okay, so add water and you mix till everything is well incorporated. Then you add cooking oil. You can add any type of cooking oil or vegetable oil. Then you mix. So this cooking oil will make it not to stick to the pan. Okay, after that you add your fresh pepper. Right, as you guys can see, it was coarsely blended. Then you mix everything together. Then you gently incorporate your flour and make sure you sift your flour to trap unwanted particle. Okay, so this part shouldn't be skipped. You are supposed to sift your flour when making pancake. Okay, so sift your flour and you're going to mix everything together. Guys, this pancake recipe is so nice. Then of course you need to add your baking powder. You sift it also, then you mix. You continue to combine and combine. So guys, this pancake recipe was so yummy. Okay, unlike the ones I have on my channel which are lighter, so this one has a kind of thick consistency, and that is how I wanted this particular recipe to be. Okay, so if you've not made pancakes before, whether the light one or the thick one, this is a channel you would always want to be glued to because you're going to learn a lot. Then of course we're going to add our vanilla essence, guys, for additional flavor. We are going to stir, mix everything together, combine everything together, guys. To make pancakes is very easy. This is a very easy breakfast recipe. Okay, you want to make for your family, guys. As you guys can see, this is the consistency, okay, we have. Okay, and this is the consistency I want for this particular recipe. Okay, so this is how the consistency is going to look like. Okay, so no worries, I'm going to be leaving the measurements and the ingredients in the description box. Right, so after that you're going to heat up your pan a little. Then you're going to scoop in the pancake batter. As you guys can see, the consistency is kind of thick and fluffy, and that is exactly what I want. So once the top sets, okay, you're going to flip over to the other side. Okay, and this is how the down part looks like, right? And once it's done, you're going to remove it from heat. Right, so this is what we have. This is how a pancake is looking like. Then you repeat it again. You scoop in your pancake batter and make sure you are doing this on a medium low heat. Don't do it on a high heat. Okay, you flip over to the other side. So like I said, it shouldn't be on a high heat so that it wouldn't get burnt without actually getting cooked well inside. Right, so this is the down part and you can still flip it up. Okay, so this is how the top looks like, as you guys can see. Okay, so guys, here is our pancakes and it's almost ready. Our pancake is ready, looking sumptuous, looking yummy. This is a recipe you want to try out, a breakfast recipe your family is going to enjoy. Like I said, for the recipe measurement and the ingredients, check my description and you're going to see the measurements of this pancake recipe. Hope you're trying it out, guys. You're going to love this. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. And yeah, our pancake is ready. You can enjoy with any drink of choice, soft drink, any drink of choice. Even you can enjoy with your tea. It's a good breakfast snack you can enjoy. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. See you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye.